can solve or prevent that thing that we have, and we must answer collect ideas. Using dry leaves painted, you can use any kind of material. No? Okay. That we need to answer what is it. The explanation for us to understand the consequences. If it's a problem, we need to get ready in the dictionary solutions. We are going to discuss a possible solution to tackle this problem.
How many years I have been living in Uzbekistan?
20 years.
No.
Right? First you say 20 years.
And then I changed my mind.
Lawyer.
Thank you very much. No. Switzerland, yes. No. No. Who created pasta?
China.
China.
Enroll your all personal data into our platform. So we'll pay your full education fees. So we don't have any chance to make a mistake. That's why I will switch on. Hisoblanganda yiliga 112 million miqdordagi pulni vazirlik siz uchun to'lab berganligi. Hamma to'ldirib bo'lgandan keyin ikkinchi punktga o'tadi. Shuni kelsak bo'ladimi?
I feel still young because of the contact with young people. And you must understand what is your role at the university. That we are using smartphones for different things, but not for checking Instagram or messages, but to find definitions, translations. This is the time of your life. You will find some friends for your entire life. People working at the university and students who are now at the university, historians and journalists.